Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 20th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the US dollar yen, very sideways today, but we definitely didn't have a solid break below structure. So, based on the 1 hour time frame structure, the trend is up. Now, the higher time frame trend, the daily trend, is definitely down unless we break this high right here. So still, anything we see to the upside is still very likely just a pullback to the downtrend. So if we see like one, two, three waves up, maybe to the 78%, like a double top, then a break to the downside, then we definitely want to take it as a short. Unless it goes up and takes out this high right here, we do want to look at this move up right here as possibly just a pullback to this last move down. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.